Okay, so we're going to go back to share screen. And then we're going to go back to the Guam bus. Everyone say movie time.
Movie time.
Korean Guam bus.
It is Virgo.
Everyone say see Serena.
Serena.
By the Guam bus.
So my beauty.
Apmam na tiyempo tati, antes di gera giza haganya. Imas dongkulo na song giza.
Okay, Miss Kevin, how to read it. Okay, ready?
I think of my beautiful when they watched it.
See Serena. By the Guam bus.
Yes, I see the story.
Everyone say a long time ago. Ready?
A long time ago.
Before the war.
Okay.
Before the war.
But
In
I
Haganya. In Haganya. Yes, a long time
Di gera
ago.
giza haganya. Imas dongkulo na song.
The largest village in Guam. Ready? The largest village in Guam. Haganya.
Giza Guam. Estaba
There was a girl named Serena. Get ready, read it. There was a girl named Serena. Did any of you watch this video or not yet? Not yet?
Not yet.
Not yet. So we're going to watch it now,
Not
okay?
yet.
So long time ago in the village of Haganya.
Don't know.
Good news.
Yes, the largest village in Guam. Is this a true story?
Yes.
Yes, right? Actually, the village is a true story of Guam. Okay, so we're going to follow, okay? And what's the girl's name? Serena. What's her name? Yes, this is a Guam legend. So this is what the Chamoru people believed, right? This is their belief. There was a girl named Serena.
Palawan, inaanya si Sirena.
Everyone say Palawan. Palawan.
Palawan.
Palawan means girl in Chamorro. What does Palawan mean? Girl.
I don't know.
Yes.
Palawan means girl.
Sirena.
Is Adriana Palawan?
Sirena.
Yeah, I guess.
Inaanya
Adriana.
si Sirena.
I
Everyone
guess.
say Sinahanya. Sinahanya.
Anya.
Sinahanya.
Anya.
Yes, Serena. That means that's her name. Her name is Serena. What's her name? Serena. Okay.
Sirena.
Okay, listen to the man. He's telling the story.
Inaanya si Sirena.
And you know he's a Chamorro man. What is he? A Chamorro man. Yes, from the island of Guam.
Estaba Palawan, inaanya si Sirena.
Sinahanya. Everyone say Sinahanya.
Anya.
Yes, that means her name is Serena. Sinahanya Serena. Everyone say Sinahanya
Anya.
Serena. Okay, let's watch it. So who's this character? What's her name? Serena.
Yosa na sotera si Sirena.
Oh, Serena was
Hagov guaidza
beautiful.
ifumila.
Everyone say Serena was beautiful.
Serena was
Estaba
beautiful.
Palawan, inaanya si Sirena.
Serena was
Pagod and Yosa na sotera si Sirena. Hagov
She was beautiful and friendly. So everyone say she was beautiful and friendly.
She was beautiful and friendly.
Oh, I only hear Abigail. What happened to the rest of you?
She
Everyone
was
say
beautiful and
effective
friendly.
communicator. I want to see Arnulfo, Eliza, and Isabella. Okay, so she was beautiful and what? Friendly. Everyone say bonita. Ready?
Bonita.
And bonita means beautiful, right? Pretty.
Beautiful and pretty.
I want to see Arnulfo, Eliza, and Isabella. Story time. This is by a Chamorro man from Guam. All right, so let's continue. What does it say here? She loves her family very much. Yes, she loves her family very much.
Serena.
Very much.
Guaiza y familianya, Manyaga
Everyone say Guaiza. Guaiza.
Eliza.
Guaiza, like Guaiza how, right? So that means she loved her family. Everyone say familia. Familia. And familia means what? Family. What does familia mean? Family. Yeah, so she loved her family. Who loves their family? Me. Right? All of you. You love your family.
Hagov Guaiza y familianya, Manyaga Sliha Gifi Unan, Molay Atsu,
Oh, she lived near a stone bridge. Where did she live? Near a stone bridge.
Bridge.
Giza Haganya.
In Haganya. What village? Haganya.
Anayay of Oskun
You
Sis.
go to Aganya?
Sometimes.
Never been to Aganya?
I wonder
Have you
who
been
this
to
character
Aganya
is.
Shopping Center?
I wonder who this character is. If this is Serena, who do you think this person is? Mom. Yes, who's that mom?
That's just
Yes, you are right. Mom. Okay, let's see.
How come
Oskun Serena.
looks like the
Zafihu
things
Oh,
that
she wasn't.
Asna
Okay. Miss Kaka's gonna.
Guanabiyay Kikof Oskun si Serena.
Okay.
Lay Atsu,
that was me.
Guanabiyay Kikof Oskun si Serena. Zafihu
Sometimes Serena wasn't very obedient. Everyone say obedient.
Obedient.
Yeah, so that
Obedient.
means sometimes she doesn't listen to her mom, right? Is that good? No, right? We should always listen to our parents, right? So everyone, let's read it. I want to see Eliza, Arnulfo, and Isabella. Let's read it. Get ready, go. Serena,
Serena wasn't
very obedient. Yes.
obedient.
Sometimes she doesn't listen to her parents, right? Sometimes she doesn't listen to her mom.
Linalat Digli.
Listen to his dad.
Yes.
children
And it says
come.
sometimes she was scolded. Everyone say scolded.
Scolded.
Sometimes, or she was often scolded by her mother. That means, look at the mom. Is she scolding Serena? Yes. Is she getting mad at Serena? Yes.
Yes.
Why do you think she get mad at her? Because she wasn't listening, right? She wasn't obedient.
Listening.
Gwe Asna Nanya. Satyat Sogwe
Because she didn't do her chores. So why was mom upset? Why was mom mad at Serena? Because she didn't do her chores, her housework, right?
Didn't do your chores.
Column the Pujum Iman.
She didn't do her chores in and out of the house.
Yahasuan si Serena Munalot.
She didn't mean to anger her mother. Did she mean to get mad at her mom? No, right?
All the way Nananya. The Wanabiyahit Yahasu.
Sometimes she forgot what she was told. So sometimes Serena forgot to do what her mother told her to do.
Imatagotnya sa tinanigwe imunyanyango.
Because she was distracted by swimming. So boys and girls, why didn't she do her chores? Who can tell me why?
Because she was distracted by swimming.
Yes, all she thought about doing was swimming. And she forgot to listen to her mom. She forgot to do her chores, her house chores. Everyone say distracted. Get ready, go. Distracted. Because she was distracted by swimming. All she thought about doing was to swim. Is that good, boys and girls? No, right? Even though you love to do something, you still have to help your family at home. Everyone say familia.
Familia.
And now we masanya si Serena.
That was her favorite thing to do, right? She loved to go swimming.
Masanya si Serena. Munyanyango kitasi
Swimming in the
sadok
ocean
ipapaytelay.
and the river under the
Ungofaan na
bridge.
diha tatlo inanan Serena
One
hatogwi
sunny
hagan.
day, Serena's mother told her again
Ya putrehan guma.
about her
Prometi
chores.
si Serena ina nanya.
Serena promised
Tiponyango este kimonazanit. Prometi si Serena ina
promised her
nanya.
mother
Tiponyango
that she
este
wouldn't
kimonazanit
swim
setsu.
until she finished her chores.
Lawan ay mamomokat si Serena
Boys and girls, when you When you tell somebody a promise, are you going to keep your promise? Yes, right? So when you promise to do something, are you going to keep your promise? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, right? And did Serena keep her promise? Okay, we're gonna find out. Okay, let's rewind.
Hagui Haganya Putrehan Guma. Prometi si Serena inananya Tiponiango.
Oh, so Serena promised her mom that she wouldn't swim. Do you think she kept that promise? Yes or no?
Yes. No.
No, right? We'll find out, okay? So it says here,
Serena inananya
Serena promised her mother that she
Tiponiango.
wouldn't swim until she finished her
When I'm a
chores.
momokat si Serena
I wonder what happened. I wonder, did she really keep her promise to not swim anymore until she was done with her house chores? Okay, so let's continue. But when she was walking in the village, who's this girl?
Serena.
Serena. But when she was walking in the village,
Isengso. Gigon harapara tatui telai gihilui satok kineni
she
gwe.
couldn't help
Salumi
it.
of the
And
holomi
she
hap.
dove into the
Unyango gwe go
water.
fa.
Oh my goodness. Wow. So boys and girls, did she keep her promise to not swim anymore? No, right?
No. No.
Let's read it. Get ready, go. She swam
Yeah.
for a
Swam
long
A
time.
long time.
She couldn't help herself, right? Under the bridge was the water. And so what did she do? She jumped into the water.
And did she do that?
Serena gisengso. Gigon harapara tatui telai gihilui satok kineni gwe. Salumi of the holomi hap.
Dove into the water. She couldn't help it. As soon as she saw the bridge and the water, what did she do? Everyone say dove
When you go, she would
into
into
the water.
water.
Unyango gwe go fa mam.
She swam
Malingo
for a
gimena
long
bofnya.
time.
Malafa
Lost
gwe
in her
puri puri
joy.
metinya.
She forgot her
And I esta
promise.
tumutunoki ata.
So boys and girls, did she forget her promise? Yes, right?
Yes.
She swam
Yes.
for a very long time. Her mother and godmother were talking.
Nagkwento si Nananya zani Madlinan Serena. Kuflalolui na.
Serena's mother was angry. Why was she angry? Does anybody
She
know?
didn't do her chores.
Yes,
She
very good,
did not-
Abigail. She didn't do her chores. Serena's mother was angry. Can you show me angry face? Ready? Angry. She was mad, right?
Ana dui haga. Kan malago
She
gwi
truly
mastiga si
wanted to
Serena.
punish Serena.
Ileknya
She
en
said,
gof zanya I
if my
hagahu
daughter
minyango.
loves to
Sa
swim so
tizanyo
much
matendi
and
itatsuguma.
dislikes
Mas
chores,
mauleknya
then
gwi
she's
han gwi
better off
tino
as
tauta.
a fish. Oh no. So the mom was so angry, right? And what did she say? She's better off as a fish because she doesn't want to do her chores. Do you think her mother meant it? Did she mean to say those mean things?
Yeah.
No. No, right? She was just angry. So what does it say here, boys and girls? Let's read it. If my daughter, ready?
Yes.
What's the next word?
Daughter
To swim so much.
Munyango. Sa tizanyo matendi.
And what is the sight word? And
And
dislikes chores.
likes her.
That means she doesn't want to do her chores. She doesn't want to keep her promise.
Itatsuguma. Mas mauleknya
Then she's better off as a fish. Everyone say Guihan. Get ready, go. Guihan. How do we say fish in tomorrow? Guihan. Yes. So her mom said what? She's better off as a fish. Do you think Serena's going to turn into a fish? What do you think? Yes or no? Yes, right? We'll find out.
gwi han gwi tino tauta.
Mom, you like this one because
Her
it
words
makes
cursed Serena. Everyone, so the mom cursed Serena. Everyone say it. The mom cursed Serena. She was so angry with Serena, so she said she's better off as a fish, right? And her angry wish, everyone say wish,
Wish.
came true. Her angry wish came true.
Ala itehan. Come matmos.
Serena started to drown, and little by little, her body was turning into a fish. Oh my goodness, boys and girls, so what happened to Serena? She started to drown in the water, right? And then what happened to her body? Her body started to turn into a
Fish.
fish. Everyone say Guihan.
We have.
But the story doesn't end there. Everyone read it. But the story doesn't end there.
Apa istorya gana? Na imat lina ha hungo ki matishon.
When the godmother heard the curse,
Hasangani nanan Serena.
she told Serena's mother,
Ihagamo,
your
ihagaho.
daughter is my daughter as well.
Tisinya
She's
unat
half
isi.
mine. Oh, so the godmother is now in the picture, right? So she's another character of the story. So what did the godmother say? So what did the godmother say? That Serena is hers as well, right? Everyone say your daughter
Your daughter
is my daughter as well. Yes, I wonder what's gonna happen.
Mo ihagaho lakwe. Namitai zoko.
And what did the godmother say? She's half mine. What did the godmother say? She's half mine.
Tisinya unat isi.
You can't curse that part. Everyone read it. You can't curse that part. Everyone say exclamation mark.
Exclamation mark.
Yes. Is that a question mark? No. Is it an exclamation mark? Yes. So whenever you see an exclamation mark, you got to read it loud. Let's read it loud. Get ready, go. You can't curse that part. Again, you can't curse that part. Yes. And who is speaking? Her godmother. Who is speaking? Her godmother.
And now lapak. Sa destiadzuna moment.
Oh, look at that. Who is this girl? Who is she?
Serena.
Oh my goodness. And she's half what? She's half girl from the waist up. She's half girl. And from the waist down, she's half what? Half fish. From that moment, from that moment, Serena has been half fish and half human. Yes, because her godmother wanted to keep her as human, and her mother wanted her to become a fish, right? Everyone, let's read it. Get ready, go. Serena has been half fish and half human. Is she a mermaid? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes.
So she's half fish and half human.
Si Serena. Tristy si Serena.
Oh, everyone say Tristy. Ready? Tristy. And Tristy means sad. What does Tristy mean? Sad. How does she feel? Sad. Do you like the story, boys and girls? Yes?
Si Serena. Tristy si Serena.
Everyone say Tristy si Serena.
No.
Tristy si Serena. Serena was sad because she left her family. She had to leave her family.
Haring ni familia niya. Na mangof gwe lokwe. Sa kumamangas gwe.
But she was also happy. And who can tell me, why was she also happy? Anybody? Isabella? Yes?
Because she has became a ruler of the sea.
Yes, because she became a ruler of the sea. And also Dan is right too. Dan is very right because now she is a fish, right? And she gets to swim all day and all night, right?
Itas. Pago, Guiza und Raina. Itasin kwa.
Yes, Yes, she is the queen of what? She is the queen of the sea.
Aku Wiza Ukraina itasin Guam.
Everyone say Raina. Ready? Raina. Now she is a queen of Guam seas. She is a queen of the ocean.
Tori Guihan
And all the fish obey her commands.
itinagot.
Everyone say Guam. Is this the island of Guam? Yes? Is this Guam's ocean? Yes, right? Everyone say sea.
See?
Zeus.
Yo.
Maasi.
Yo.
Maasi.
Maasi.
Everyone say
Yo.
exclamation mark.
Maasi.
Get ready, go. Exclamation mark. Yes, exclamation mark. Okay, so let's go back again and let's read it. Get ready, go. Si Zeus Maasi. Get ready, go. Si Zeus Maasi. Okay, so,
Maasi.
and what does that mean in tomorrow? Very good. I hear
Thank
Dan
you.
again. And that means thank you. Everyone say thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Almost, friend. Everyone say see Serena.
She's Serena.
Okay, so what I want you to do is we don't have time. So maybe what you can do, boys and girls, for your homework as well, you can draw Serena. What can we do? Draw Serena, okay?
Serena.
Yeah, so that's gonna be your artwork because we don't have time. Our class is gonna end soon, okay? So what's our homework? To draw Serena. And then you're going to
Serena.
have mom and dad take a picture, send it to me, and then I will share it with your classmates, okay? Do we understand, boys and girls? Yes? Everyone say
Yes.
comprendi. Get ready, go. Comprendi.
Andy.
That means I understand. Everyone say I understand.
Mom, I understand.
Okay, so we have
Okay, say
we're
bye.
going to
Tell her you're going to use the bathroom.
okay, so boys and girls,
Say bye. Say bye to everyone.
Bye.
okay, so everyone say adjust. Get ready, go. Adjust.
Adjust.
Adjust. It's almost 12 o'clock, right?
Bye. 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 Bye.
Adjust.
Bye.
So here's the time. Almost. Oh,
Sorry,
yes, we got
yes,
10 more minutes, right?
Bobby.
All right. Adjust then. Bye then. See you Monday. Adjust.
Already in the bathroom, Miss Calgren.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Kariak. Bye.